AnkAce BC, welcome. It's Sunday. We are about to announce the winner of our 500 subscriber raffle for the AnkAce iPad Alternative Stylus. So if you haven't seen that video, it's right here. You can go check that out on the review of the stylus. And now, with no further ado, let us head on over to the computer and we are going to get who will win the raffle. So before we get there, like and subscribe, guys, if you could. And don't forget, head over to Facebook and go to Heat Press Creators. That's our group over there. It's free to join. And we'd love to see you over there as well, because we're going to be doing a giveaway actually quite soon when we hit 250 subscribers to our Facebook group. And we're, I think, around 240 almost. So we're almost there. So head on over there so you can get be part of that giveaway as well. So anyway, let's head on over to the computer. All right, guys, so here we are. Here are all the entries, all the people that put down comments in the other video. And here is the big spin, guys, and here we go. Let us hit it, and let's find out who wins here. Let's hit the spin, and here we go. It's going. It's going. Let's see who's going to get it. I'm feeling pretty excited, and it's Chris R. The big winner is Chris R. We will be sending you a message via YouTube, so look out for it. All right, and a big congratulations to Chris R for winning the stylus. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being part of this channel and helping it grow. Please share the content if you're liking it. Tell others if they're looking for help in these types of matters, whether it be design or sublimation or working with a heat press or whatever. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and head on over to Heat Press Creators over on Facebook. That's our group, free to join. We're going to be doing a giveaway, as I said earlier, when we hit 250 subscribers, so I think that should be pretty soon. Anyway, the next giveaway here will be when we hit 1,000 subscribers, so help us get there, guys. Share the content, and let's see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers. Again, thank you for watching the channel. I'm BC, and I will see you in the next video.